Welcome to SimplyStreetBikes.com. Today we've got a 2015 Yamaha FZ-09. This standard style bike has just a little under 1,700 miles on it and is in mint condition. So let's take a walk around it. I did find one tiny little scratch on it, which I'll show you, but I haven't seen anything else on it. So let's get a chance, take a look at it, and then we'll fire it up here. You know, and with only having 1,700 miles on it, you know, the tires are still in great shape. Got plenty of miles left on those. And this bike is all stock yet, so. So the one little scratch I found on it, right here on the tank. That's all I've seen on it so far, so. Alright. 1696 is what's on it. This FZ-09 will be going through our pre-sale inspection. Will also come with our 30-day 1,000-mile limited warranty. And as long as you own this bike from us, you will get a discount on your parts, your labor, and of course your accessories. Thank you for shopping Simply Street Bikes.